Hi, welcome back to another tutorial of iOS development. So, what I have done, I have created the app icons and an icon that will display on the launcher screen, which is this gem icon. Other icon I will just create and paste over here. So, what you have to do, your task is to create some icon that will be like a person is jumping or running or using the dumbbells or any type of exercise he or she is doing. So you have to create it via a Canva and paste these icon under this assets folder, right? So you have the task. Just pause the video and give it a try. So what I have done, I have created a background, some exercises like this, and will display it on the click. But first of all, what we have to do is create the launcher screen. And for this, what I will do, just set the background. But where to set the background? For this, I have to use library. By clicking this plus icon, I will get the library dialog box, a pop-up, and I just type here image and drag the image view to my phone. So the image is can be placed anywhere in the middle or elsewhere. But what I want to do is see the background, display the background on the full screen. So drag it like this and like this. After that, what we will do is go to the UI inspector. This is the UI inspector, and I want to select an image to display on this view. This is the attribute inspector, and here I want to select an image. I can type here the background which I have drag from the download, and also just open this drop down and click the background. So it will display over here like this. Because this is a box, so it's look like a shrinked box, but what I need is to display all over this screen. So this can be done by using this attribute inspector view. This is the view and content mode from where we can select the view of our image. Right now, aspect fit is selected, and let's just see scale to fill. So scale to fill is a bit good, but the approach of scale to fit may be pixelate the image. This is a good image in a good pixel, but somehow scale to fill pixelate the images. So what we have to use, other option is aspect fill. This will not pixelate the image, and look, the screen looks beautiful. Now the next step is put the logo in the center of this screen. So pause the video and add a image view and add our logo which we have created under the assets, which is gem icon, right? So just pause it and perform the task. So I hope you have created it. Let me just go to the launcher screen. Now again, plus icon, image view, drag the image view in the center. Now select the image as gem icon and drag it. Now let me just add here another UI element, which is label. Let me just drag here in the middle, and the label will be exercise app, and the text will be of our choice, and we will also select the color. Custom font. This one, and the size will be 40, and the color will be white. Yeah, it's look pretty. So this is how our launcher screen is created. So just run this and see the result. So see, this is the app icon of our application that we have created, and it will launch in few seconds. It's installed and it launches. So I have selected a wrong device, which is 11, and that is why it shows the corners of the screen like this. Let me just make our application look beautiful. So what I will do, choose the other device, which is Max Pro, and now drag it like this and just run again. Because we are learning from the basic, so we will learn the auto layouting after few tutorials, after we learn about the basic application. So this is the launcher screen of our application, and it will launch like this. So hope you will like this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, give thumbs up and wait for the other step of this application.